Hey y'all, Mira Evan, Digital Marketing Pro, taking you on a tour of my office that starts with the most awesome rug. Yes, that is started in my very own office. Alright, let's go take a look. This is the caption phone, and this is an ancient device called a fax machine where you can send paper messages. Alright, these are just a bunch of knickknacks I've collected over the years and family photos above. I believe we have about 8 more of these up there. Yes, we have a lot of books. And this is the poster of Fort Worth, where I was born and raised. 2 monitors. Once you go 2, you don't go back to 1. And we've reached the end of the tour. Thank you for coming along. Have a great day.